Welcome guys to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in Banco Montepio Portugal online. So guys, go to the official website banking, click this first result. From here click this result. After that guys, click this option, login option, and then guys all you have to do, you have to option here, you have identifications, private access, and you have access company. Write your private identifications and click continue to log in without any problems. If you have on mobile guys, just click install the app and click on login option. The same steps for here, look for option login and write your this identifico app codes. So guys, this is simple steps. Just write identifications and complete these steps. I hope guys this video guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.